All right, so this is the big one. What if I don't have the money? And I get it. It costs money to create a great product. It takes money to start a business. Online course creation is no different. I don't want you not pursuing your dream of creating that digital product, launching that business only because your funds are limited right now. Don't base your future on the moment where you're right now. Just because you don't have funds today doesn't mean you're not gonna have funds tomorrow. So that's what we've done here for you. Every client who comes to us and they wanna create a course and they are committed, they're very clear this is what they wanna do, but the only thing that's stopping them is funds. We have found a funding company that specifically works with people just like you who create digital products. They have 15 different lenders. So what we're gonna do, on our first call, we're gonna discover what it is that you wanna create. We'll present you what are the packages we can offer you, what we can do for you. You would decide which package is the right fit for you. And if you do decide to work with us, we'll introduce you to their funding company and they'll fund your business. And the great thing about it is that when they fund your business, once you launch your course and start making your money back, you can pay back that investment as quickly as you want. And there's no penalty for prepaying early. So this is really like the bridge funding, you going from your idea to launching and actually making that first sale. So if money's being slowing you down, stop. We have a solution for that. No longer that could be your excuse for not moving forward with your dreams and hopes and aspirations when it comes to creating your online course and launching that course very, very quickly and using us as your part of your team to help you make that happen. So if that answers that question, the big question that you might have, I suggest that you book that call, schedule that free consultation. We'll go over the packages, we'll decide what's a good fit for you, and then we'll present you to that funding company. We do not get anything from that except a new client and opportunity to work with you. They will take care of the funding. You're gonna get approval or answer within 3 to 5 hours, and they'll fund you within 3 to 5 days if you qualify. So again, go ahead, book that call, and we cannot wait to work with you.